morning, student. Now, I shall going to start chapter 3, playing with the number. Before in previous class, you have studied the operation on the numbers. For example, you only study one operation, one type, addition, or subtraction, or multiplication, or division. You have studied one time. Now this chapter, you will study various operations. These are the operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are the operation. It is called basic operation. So in any operation, any numerical expression which is given more operation together, then how can you do this question? Order of operation. Order of operation. If any numerical expression contain more operation together, then to simplify them, we can make, if you simplify them, then you can get different answer by solving the different order of the operation. For example, if there are given 12 divided by 4 minus 2, if you subtract this from 4, then you will get 2 and divide, will get 6 answer. And if you divide 12 divided by 4 get 3, and then subtract 1, 3, 2, you will get 1. So if there are very operation, more than one operation given in the numerical expression, then you will get different answer. It is depend on the order of operation. So mathematicians decided they have agreed to solve this type of expression with the help of some special case, that is the mass. So if there are various operations given together, then we can get different answer, which is depend on the starting the order of the operation. So mathematicians have agreed to avoid this type of the problem. They use the Bode mass law. So they are short form on the Bode mass. B stand for brackets and O stand for of, that means multiplication, and D means division, that symbol is division, and M means multiplication, A means addition, and S stand for subtraction. So there is a special case, a special order of the simplification when their expression or our expression contain more operation, like there are containing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division given together, then how can we solve? First, we use this new order of the operation. Now, after that, use of brackets. Use of brackets. Why you are using the brackets? If any numerical expression contain more than one operation, to simplify that, we make them to take a group with the help of operation. Thus, you can get the new order of the operation as a previous board mass, along with the use of various brackets together. We have basic high, or you have basic decides by which order various brackets, various operations should be carried out. So at last there are four type of the brackets there are. So by using the brackets to separate the different operation, you make the group and you use the help of the bracket to use the expression, or you express our operation. So there are four type of bracket. First, line bracket or bar bracket, line bracket, or this is called bar bracket also. This is the common bracket or small bracket, and this is the curly bracket. This is the curly bracket, and at last here are the big bracket, or there is the square bracket sometimes called. Now see what, how can remove the bracket first? First you have to remove bar bracket, and then common bracket or small bracket, and then curly bracket. At last it has removed to square bracket or big bracket. So this is becomes clear by the given exercise question. See, exercise exercise 3.1. After saying so many things, we get a conclusion. How can solve the questions or the expression which contain various operations together, plus, minus, multiplication and addition and off, and bracket also given? Then how can solve? Then you have to remember it. You have to solve by using the new order of the operation, board mass. First you remove bracket, then off means multiplication, D means division, M stand for multiplication, and A stand for the addition. In this way you can solve the problem. So see here, first question of this exercise. Simplify 28 plus 5 into curly bracket 6 divided by 2. Then how can solve this? First you remove the bracket, so that is 28 plus 5 into 6 divided by 2 is 3, and then you multiply, because here is not off, here is not division, so multiply even, then first you multiply 28 plus 15, and now in 3, 5 and 8, 13, 3, carry 1, and 3 and 1, 4, your answer coming 43. Similarly, see second question. Next question. B. 135 divided by 5, big bracket, 19 minus in curly bracket 12 minus 2 into 9 minus 8, common bracket close, curly bracket close, square bracket close. How can you solve this type of the numerical expression? It contains various operations, subtraction and division contained in each. So see, first you remove the common bracket. So that is 135 divided by 5. So first what you do? First you remove this common bracket, 2 into in common bracket, there are given 9 minus 8, that is 1, curly bracket and square brackets. Now, you here is given division. Remember the Bodmas law. According to Bodmas law, you can solve this type of the expression. First, there are division of not given, so divide it. 35 divided by 5, 2 times, and 27 coming, and then here is multiplication. Write the multiplication sign, or no need to write the multiplication. There is no sign given, then suppose the multiplication. In square bracket 19 minus, now remove the curly bracket. In curly bracket 12 minus 2 into 1 is 2. That is 27 into square bracket 19 minus, this is 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So curly bracket remove, 19 minus 10, and that is 27 into, here is 9 coming, now multiply, this is coming 3, 9 multiplied by 7, 63, 3 right, there is 6, and this is the 18 and 6, 24, your answer coming 243. 43. See next question. See, my dear students, see next question. See, 81 into in square bracket 59 minus curly bracket 17 into 6 plus in common bracket 17 minus 2 into 4, common bracket close, curly bracket, square bracket close. This is your question. And now solve this. 81 into, solve the small bracket, remove first, you remove the small bracket. 59 minus 17 into 6 plus in common bracket 17 minus 8, curly bracket and square bracket. 81 into 81 into in square bracket 59 minus, now simplify this bracket, common bracket remove, 17 into 6 plus 9, curly bracket close and then square bracket close. That is 81 into 59 minus, in curly bracket multiply this. This is just 112. Here is 40 to 2 and then 6 1 ja 6 and 4. That is 10. 102 plus 9 curly bracket and square bracket close. 81 into 59 minus 81. Now see what? Here is coming 100 minus 111. That is 111. Here only 7, not 17 students. See, here is only 7 given. So multiply this. This is 42 plus 9. Here is 7 only. So instead of 7 I have written by mistake 17. Here see 7 and 7 multiplied by 6, 42 and 8, 9. That is remove the remove the curly bracket. Here is 51 coming. 51. Now remove the big bracket. 81 into, here is 8. Now multiply this. You will get 81 into 8. That is 8 1 ja 8 and 64. 648 coming. This question's answer is 648. Now next question is the this is the real use of the board mass law. According to board mass law, every question you can solve. Whatever given here, that question you can solve by using the board mass law. CB, that is given in the big square bracket or big bracket 5 into, in curly bracket 16 plus, in common bracket 11 minus 12 minus 3 in bar bracket. This is the bar bracket. See my dear student. This is the bar bracket. Here is given bar bracket given, common bracket, curly bracket, and here is big bracket. After, here is one more number given, 12 minus 3 curly bracket plus 6 and then given square bracket float. This is your question. See here, first you have to remove bar bracket. You have to remove bar bracket, then common bracket, then curly bracket, and then big bracket you have to remove. Then that is in square bracket 5 into, in curly bracket 16 plus, in common bracket 11 minus, here is given, see what is given, in bar bracket given 12 minus 3, 12 minus 3 is 9, then square bracket, common bracket goes and bar bracket remove, curly bracket plus 6 is square bracket. Now you remove the common bracket or small bracket. You remove it. 5 in square bracket 5 into curly bracket 16 plus here is 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. Then remove is common bracket. Then left here only 2 curly bracket and plus 6 and then the square bracket is equal to square bracket 5 into C. That is remove this by adding 18 curly bracket remove and here is given 6. Now multiply. Use the board mass again here. Multiply them 90 and then plus 6 coming 96. This is your answer. This way you remove the bar bracket, common bracket and simplify them and then curly bracket, simplify them and then remove the curly bracket and then you remove the square brackets at last. So this way you can do any questions. Now I tell some big questions given some in second parts. See what second simplify. A given 20 minus in square bracket 132 divided by 12 divided by 3 into 4 in common bracket minus 3 minus 3 minus in curly bracket 36 minus in 2 in common bracket 15 minus 3 minus 2 in bar brackets common bracket curly bracket and square bracket close. This is your question. See one more times. 120 minus in square bracket 130 divided by 3 into 4 in common bracket 3 minus 3 minus in curly bracket 36 minus 2 15 minus in 3 minus 2 in bar bracket common bracket curly bracket and square bracket 4. See why? How can solve it? First I told you the board mass law. In that law, first you remove the bracket. First you remove the bracket and then you remove first bar bracket. So that is 120 minus 132 divided by, here remove this bracket, that is 12 and remove bracket minus 3 minus in curly bracket 36 minus 2 in common bracket 15 remove bar brackets 3 minus 2 is 1 and 4 minus sign then 1 right minus 1 common bracket curly bracket and square. Now see guys 120 minus in square bracket, you can divide it or remove bracket then divide it. 132 divide it, you will get 1 and 1 11 minus 3 minus, simplify this. First is simplify, common bracket is simplify 36 minus 2 into 15 minus 1. What is given? 15 minus 1 is 14. 2 into 14 and remove common bracket in curly bracket and square bracket. Now 120 minus in square bracket, 11 minus 3 minus, you simplify this in curly bracket, 36 minus 28 curly bracket to square bracket, and then that is 120 minus in square bracket, 11 minus 3 minus, you subtract this, coming 8, here is coming 8, and before the bracket, in curly bracket write it, okay, and now remove the bracket, and that is the minus 8, 120 minus 11 minus, here is 8 minus 3 and minus 8. See, guys, what is given? 11 minus 3 minus 8. That is 120 minus in square bracket. 11, these two signs are same. Then add this, that is minus 11. 11 minus 11 in the square bracket, and that is 120. 11 minus 11 is 0. 0. 120 minus 0 is 120. This is answer. This is your answer. This way, if you try, then every question you can able to do by using the BODMAS law. Now, see one more question. See, question number B of second part, our second question. B part of the second. In common bracket 19 minus 6 in common bracket close into in square bracket 19 plus in curly bracket 15 plus 8 minus 3 in bar bracket, and then curly bracket is square bracket close. This is given. In first common bracket 19 minus 6 into in curly bracket 19 plus, this is a in square bracket 19 plus in curly bracket 15 plus in bar bracket 8 minus 3 curly bracket close and square bracket also. See here, this is the 13 into in square bracket 19 plus in curly bracket 15. Now simplify the bar bracket. Here given 8 minus 3 is 5. So in bar bracket 5, remove bar bracket plus 5 coming only curly bracket and square bracket both. Now that is 13 into in square bracket 19 plus, this is the 20. In curly bracket coming 20, 15 plus 5, 20, and now remove the curly bracket, that is 20 only in square bracket, that is 13 into, simplify this, 39, curly bracket here, remove curly bracket, that is 13 into 39. Now multiply and write its answer. multiply 39 into 30. Here is 7, 27, 9 and 1, 9 and 2, 11, 9 and this is the 3, 7, 10 and 4 and 5. This is coming 507. So its answer is 507. Now next question. Second part B question you see here C, and one question I left for the homework. C 36. Here is given 36. See what is given. 36 divided by, in square bracket, curly bracket 10 minus 10 minus in common bracket 18 minus 12 minus 2 in bar bracket, common bracket close, curly bracket also close, plus in second curly bracket, other curly bracket made here. There is given 1 plus in common bracket 5 minus 3 minus 1 in bar bracket, common bracket, curly bracket close, and then square bracket also close. This is your expression given, but here is 36 divided by, in curly bracket, 10 minus common bracket 18 minus, simplify the bar bracket, that is coming 18 is here, 18 given, 18 minus 12 minus 2 in bar bracket. Now 12 minus 2 is 10, bar bracket remove, in common bracket, curly bracket, plus in curly bracket 1 plus, remove the bar bracket here, 5 minus 3 minus 1 is 2, common bracket close, curly bracket and square bracket close. Now remove the common bracket in both, plus 36 divided by, in square bracket, in curly bracket 10, here is in common bracket 18 minus 10, that is coming in common bracket 8, and you remove the common bracket, then 10 minus 8 in curly bracket, right, plus in curly bracket 1 plus 5 minus 2 is 3, then 1 plus 3 in curly bracket is 5. Now that is 36 divided by in square bracket, curly bracket given 10 minus 8, that is coming 2 plus, and here is 4 in square bracket, 36 divided by 8 is 6, 36 divided by 6, answer coming 36 divided by 6, you get the 6. This is your answer. This way, students, one question left, that also I try to do it. See, the 84 of, in square bracket 64 minus in curly bracket 6 into 9 plus in common bracket 18 minus 3 of 5. 18 minus 3 of 5. That is 84 of in square bracket 64 minus in curly bracket 6 into 9 in plus in common bracket 18. This is the Hoffman's multiplication. 3 into 5 common bracket square bracket close. 84 of 64 minus in curly bracket. You multiply with this 54 plus in common bracket 18 minus multiply this 15 square bracket common bracket close. 84 of 64 minus in curly bracket 54 subtract this 3 coming then plus 3 in curly brackets and then square bracket 84 Hoffman's multiplication in square bracket 64 minus 57. 64 minus 57. See here, what is coming? Here is coming 7. Here is subtract 7 coming, and then 84 into 7. Multiply this and 7 4 are 28, 8 carry to 56 and to 58 588 you will get. These are all questions wise. You also practice to do yourself. Now you will any problems then you discuss to me.